Okay, so let's see how best we can solve the second question. That is 1 minus 2x exponent 9. And we are going to use this same formula. We can also use the a plus x exponent n theorem formula to solve for that, but let's use this one. So when you look at the two, you can see that you have your 1 here, but your x is now minus 2x and the n is now 9. So wherever you see x in the expansion, you now substitute that by minus 2. Wherever you see n, you substitute that by 9. So in doing that, you are going to have 1 plus n, and n is now 9. X is now minus 2x. So you have minus 2x here plus n, that is 9. Then n minus 1 will be 9 minus 1 over 2 factorial is 2 times 1, that is 2. Then x squared, don't forget that the x is now minus 2x. So it's minus 2x squared. Okay, so plus, then n, that is 9. N minus 1, that is 9 minus 1. Then n minus 2, that is 9 minus 2 over, we have 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1, and that will be 6. Then s cubed, and x is now minus 2x, so minus 2s cubed. So let me get this off since we have already solved for this, so that I can have space. Now, with this, we'll simplify. 9 times minus 2x will be minus 18x. So this will be 1 minus 18x, then plus 9. 9 minus 1 will be 8 here. Then minus 2s all squared. So it's minus 2 squared. That will give us 4. So we are going to have 4s squared in bracket here, all divided by 2, plus 9 here. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then we have all divided by 6. Then minus 2s all cubed will be minus 2 cubed. That is minus 8. So it's minus 8x cubed over here. So we further simplify this. We have 1 minus 18x. Then we have plus. We now multiply 9 by 8 by 4. Then we divide it by 2, whether we are getting a whole number. So you can use your calculator to solve for that. You have 9 times 8, that is 9 times 8 times 4. You are getting 288 divided by 2 will give you 144. Okay, so we have 144 x squared. Then you also simplify this, but don't forget that because of the negative, your answer will be a negative answer. So 9 times 8 times 7 times minus 8 all divided by 6. You can use your calculator to do that. You have 9 times 8 times 7 times minus 8 times minus 8 divided by 6. Divided by 6, you have, okay, so 4032 divided by 6. The result is 6. So minus 672s cubed. So when you multiply 9 by 8 by 7 by minus 8 and divide by 6, this is what you are getting. So this is the expansion for this. The expansion for 1 minus 2x exponent 9. Don't forget that we are asked to use the expansion to solve or to evaluate 0.996 exponent 9. So you are supposed to solve for 0.996 exponent 9. Now we equate this to the question, that is 1 minus 2x exponent 9. When you equate this, you realize that the exponents are the same, so we can equate the bases. It's like indices. If you have x exponent 4 equals 7 exponent 4, because the exponents are the same, you can say that x is equal to 7, and it is true. And so in doing that, then you can also equate 0.996 to 1 minus 2x. Then we solve for x. So minus 2x will be 2x on the left hand side here, 1 on the right hand side. This will also be minus 0.996. Minus 0.996. So in solving for that, then you are going to have the 1 minus 0.996 is 0.004. Okay, so it means that we have 2x on the left equals 1 minus 0.996 will be 0.04. That is 0.004 rather. 004. Okay, so in solving for x, you divide by 2, this is gone, then x will be 0.004 divided by 2 is 0.002. So it means that the value of x is equal to 0.002. So in solving for this, what we do is after solving for x, then we go back to the expansion. Wherever we see x, we now substitute that by 0.002 and the answer will be out. So in doing that, this is what we have. That means our 0.996 exponent 9 will now be, the expansion is 1 minus, so 1 minus 18x. That's 18 times 0.02 plus, so let me continue it here because of space. That's plus 144 0.002 square minus 672 0.002 all cubed. So this one you just simplify and your final answer will be out. You will simplify and your final answer will be out. And so in simplifying this, we have 1 minus, you can use your calculator to do that. So 1 minus 18 times 0.002, 0.002, it is rather 0.002, okay, 0.002, 0.002, okay, so plus, then you have 144, also multiplied by 0.002 square, then you have minus 672, that is minus 672, also multiplied by 0.002 exponent 3. And in doing that, you have 0.96457. But don't forget that from the question we are asked to evaluate, correct to 4 decimal place. So after the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is more than 4. So we take it to be 1, we add it to this. So the final answer will be 0.9646. And that will be the answer in 4 decimal place. That is how we solve problems like this. So I advise that you take your time, get your book, get your pen, get your own calculator so that you do the practical of what you see on the board so that you can understand. But for now, that will be all for now on this particular episode. Thank you.